All Sindh Hayat High Speed Cricket League Season 5, the spectacular event. An amazing tournament featuring Sindh's top 8 teams, showcasing high-quality cricket and emerging talent. A great effort by SM Nadeem and his team in organizing a successful and competitive event. The league continues to grow, providing a strong platform for young cricketers across the region. Cricket Club Hyderabad won the All Sindh Hayat High Speed Cricket League Season 5, defeating La Roche Cricket Club Karachi by 37 runs in the final at Sindh Agriculture University Tando Jam Cricket Ground. Danyal was named player of the match for his 72-run knock, while Fahad Nadeem impressed with 153 runs and 9 catches stumpings, earning the Best Wicketkeeper Emerging Player award. Ibtisam Sheikh won Player of the Tournament for his 13 wickets and 149 runs. Chief guest Rawal Sharjeel Memon distributed prizes and emphasized continued support for cricket in Tandojam. Organizing Secretary S.M. Nadeem announced plans to expand the tournament next season.